So when I made the switch from a cartridge razor to a safety razor, it was a journey for me, and it's been 3 years now. And I want to take you through what I think is a good option for you and why I made the switch. I wasn't using any of these post-shave routine products at first, and I'm like, man, that's just a bunch of bullshit. These guys are just trying to sell this stuff to me, for me to buy more stuff. I thought that way in the beginning, and then I started buying stuff like an Alum block, Thayers, aftershave balm. All this stuff started making my skin look really good, and I started getting better shaves, meaning no more razor burn on my lower neck, just from simply using an Alum block and Thayers and some aftershave. Just crazy. But there's always other things that you can use. And today I'm going to be using products by Leaf Shaves. This is the pre-shave oil here, and this is the calming serum. I've been testing this calming serum out now for, I want to say 2 years or a year and a half. It's been quite a long time. I actually have it sitting downstairs in my TV room where I watch TV, and I apply it to my head a lot. Just while I'm watching TV, I'll put some up here on my head, especially, when it's dry out. It just helps moisturize my head. And being a bald guy, I need moisturization up there. I need it to be hydrated all the time. And, everyone always asks, what's your number one rated razor? It's the Leaf 3 razor. This thing sits, it doesn't leave my countertop. It sits there loaded with 3 blades. Now, you're asking, well, I only use 2 blades. Some people say to only use 2 blades. I use 3. I like the aggression of it. I need the aggression because I'll let my hair grow out maybe a week, before I shave my head, and this thing can do it. And the nice thing is I'm opening up 2 blades, and then I just pop one right in here into this leaf twig. This combo right here is something I shave with pretty much every week, meaning I'll shave my head with this normally, or maybe even a safety razor. But this thing, I can get the little hairs around my ears, right? I can get underneath my nose. I believe this is, for me, the number one detailer. If you're a bald guy with a beard and you just want to cut in your straight lines, save yourself from going to the barber shop when you can do it at home. This is the ultimate tool. So, this combination to me is phenomenal. Leaf shave oil on. And I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, we'll go 7. All right, put that little dopper back in there. Rub it on my face here. Yep. She's good to go. One thing I like about Leaf Shave is they make unscented soap. And this is what's left of one of these pucks. They come in a package of 2. I don't have one laying around here, but they come in a package of 2. I generally just hold this in my hand, take my brush, and lather up, and that's what I'm going to do today. Using one of my, I think the best bargain for a brush is the Simpson T3. Synthetic brush. This thing's awesome. Holds a ton of water. And again, I'm just going in here in my palm, nice and wet. And I'm going to start my lather. Now, what I've noticed is all the things that I've learned since I've made the switch from a cartridge razor is how to properly load my face with soap. I mean, when I first got my first safety razor, I didn't use, an Artisan soap or anything like that. I used, something like this Harry's here, this gel. And what I noticed was I wasn't getting the results. I wasn't getting the results all these other people were on YouTube. And I'm like, man, what am I doing different? Well, the huge thing was just the soap in general. I was not using a good soap. So then I bought some soap, bought a little bowl. I think I bought a Badger brush first. And I still was getting better shaves, but I wasn't still getting I wouldn't even call it perfect. I wasn't looking for perfect. Just a shave that, was comfortable. And I wasn't getting it. But then I switched from a Badger brush to actually it was this synthetic brush right here, and night and day difference. Using a synthetic brush when you're starting out is just so easy, dude. You'll become a lathering pro pretty much on your first try. I'm gonna be putting in a gem blade in it. So I'm just gonna take one of these out. Probably have one snapped here. And I'm just gonna snap it in half. Now Leaf does provide some blades for you. Whatever blade I'm using at that point in time, I always put in all my razors because I want to see how they perform, because razor and blade combination is key. Now to open this up, you just turn it. Now the way to tell if you have a leaf twig or a leaf thorn, there's a dot right here that will set in the middle if you have the leaf thorn. If you don't, if it's the twig, there's no dot. So there's two bars here on the side on how to load this. I like the tabs where I broke it pointing down. Just being consistent with this stuff makes all the difference in the world. You can see it aligns up with the two posts here. And then, I'm just gonna lock it down. Very simple design, and it works great. You can see the profile of the razor. It is just super small. I mean, getting underneath your nose, inside your nose, very easy. This is just a beautifully designed razor. So now that that's loaded, I'm just going to add a little bit more water to my lather here. Gem blade, leaf twig. I've never used this combination yet, so let's see how it goes. I do have 2 days of growth here, so not much. I mean, I think guys that are using this to shave their face, they're probably everyday shavers or every couple of days, and I have to say, it's perfect for that. There's really no learning curve to use this razor. It pretty much sets the angle for you. You know, you can see my angle is pretty much straight up and down, and that is where this razor is its sweet spot. So here's the other side. Yeah, it's just so good. And granted, you know, blade helps. These gem blades are just so freaking good, dude. If you haven't bought them, you need to run out and get some. I mean, they're outselling everywhere, even on Amazon. And they're made in Virginia. Well, you can see there's really nothing to the shave. I'm not having to really focus on technique. You know, I'm just applying just very little pressure. And the razor just does the work for me. I mean, if you're intimidated by double-edged safety razors, pick one of these up, dude. I mean, this thing will change your life. I mean, look at that. Just razor sharp. Now, you can do that with a safety razor too, but it's just so easy with this thing because it's so small. Yeah, so good. Really good. I mean, come on, America. That's damn good. All I gotta say. The one thing I didn't mention is the soaps that they have no scent. Well, this one that I like has no scent. It's vegan based. It doesn't. I know a lot of guys struggle. I shouldn't say struggle. A lot of guys don't like soaps that, you know, have scents. And I get it. Because some of them hang around, man. Like Parasso, oh, that stuff will follow you all day. So if you're wearing cologne with that, yeah, good luck. You're gonna have to put that cologne on so thick, you're gonna gross people out. First shave, just super easy. This is just one of those razors that, you know, so easy. I don't care who you are. Super simple to use. I mean, look how good that soap is. That sheen's like perfect. And I'm just gonna go through and do my variation pass. I mean, this thing doesn't even feel like it's cutting, but it is. How good it is. And yeah, you got to go down to the sink a little bit more and rinse it out, but it's worth it. To get a great shave quickly. I mean, come on, America. You all like easy stuff. I do. The easier it is, the better it is for me. Hey, there's no technique. Just super easy, man. I love it. I haven't shaved my face with this thing in a while, you know, and I have to say, I miss it because the simplicity of this is just so easy. All right, let me set that aside. I'll switch to some cold water now. I shave in lukewarm water. I know a lot of people ask that. I don't like completely cold water. I end up, you know what I mean, getting weepers on my face every time. You know, and I went through that fad a couple years ago when that started, and it doesn't work for me. Some people are like, oh, it's great for sensitive skin. Yeah, not mine. But just wiping that off real quick. Now I'm going to go in with, you know, my alum block here and see how well I did on my face. Yep, no tingling there. Whoa, got a perfect shave with it. Now again, I think it's easier to get a perfect shave in 1 or 2 days growth than it is compared to 4 or 5 or even more. And I generally push it more than that, but yeah, I don't know. If you shave every day and you're struggling with your cartridge razor or whatever safety razor you're using, don't hesitate to buy this, my friend. It's a very good razor. I highly recommend it. You know, after you let it sit on your face a minute, just rinse it off. Doesn't take much. Pat your face dry. This is my post-shave routine. You know, this is all the stuff that people were pushing here on YouTube that I just thought was crazy. I'm like, these guys are full of it. No, they're not. Thayers. If there's one thing you get out of all this video, get this, dude. This stuff right here, awesome. If you're a bald guy, it's a must-have. Super hydrating. Oh yeah, so good. Okay. Now, I would normally put an aftershave on, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of this serum on. This calming serum, I have to say, it's got some pretty good benefits. Every time I wear it and I'm going out in about an hour, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In about an hour, this stuff is just working like a charm. Now, it does have like a peppermint scent to it. The tester that I have downstairs doesn't have any scent to it. But it's light. It's nothing major. And yeah, I mean, look at my head already. It's kind of like a matte-like finish, and it's going to be silky smooth. So I'm just going to put some regular, what do you call it? Aftershave on my face here. And again, these are all these products that I thought people were just trying to sell, trying to upsell you. Do you really need that? Honestly, if you go back and look at some of my first videos, you can see my steps or my process, my learning process from my first shave till today. They're all on there. And honestly, This channel that I have right here, I was just making for like how to learn how to use YouTube and the algorithm and all that for a golf channel that me and my friends were going to start. But it ran into something else, and I really enjoy shaving and trying to get people to switch from plastic cartridge razors to get a better shave, especially if you have sensitive skin. This is a no-brainer, and welcome to Ohio Shaves. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Sunday at 11 a.m. Have a great week. Come on, America.